Hi everyone! Today I have a Christmas cake idea for you. It's an alternative puff pastry cake filled with a delicious and festive mixture of cream cheese and jam. Not only is it easy to prepare, but it's also tasty and aromatic. The crumbly dough and sweet creamy filling make it a delightful treat that you can enjoy after a meal or at any time during the holiday season. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2 sheets of puff pastry. Place the first sheet of puff pastry in a cake pan. Mine is 10 by 6 inches. And set it aside. Next, prepare the filling. Mix together 2 cups of cream cheese, 1 medium egg, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Spread this mixture over the layer of puff pastry. Then add half cup of jam. I use cherry jam, you can use any jam of choice. We'll use the second puff pastry to decorate the cake. I'll cut out the stripes and stars, but feel free to decorate the cake however you prefer. After that, brush cake with beaten egg and sprinkle some sugar. Bake in preheated oven at 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes until puffed and golden. Once the cake is baked, let it cool down. Before serving, dust it with powdered sugar, and there you have it. Our tasty, sweet, creamy, and aromatic cake is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.